Okay, here's where I am in Donner's Pass. My alternator pretty much died on the freeway, and I coasted down here, and some very nice guys stopped to help me, and some guy is gonna get his trailer and give me a tow back to Reno. Alright, so I lucked out. I'm just gonna wait here. I told him I'd wait. I'd rather be with my car, just so I can be here. In case someone else shows up, then I can explain what's going on. This was bound to happen. It's a brand new alternator too. It's overheating. The car won't start. We tried to jump it, but there's a lot of heat that came from the alternator. So I bought it from AutoZone, so it's lifetime guaranteed. But since the previous alternator burned out, there must be something going on that causes alternators to burn out. So all I can do is wait. I have food, and I have drink, and I have tobacco. And I thought that I might have to spend the night here. I have to work tomorrow, so looks like I'm in D&D territory here. Thank goodness for good people. I'm gonna pay them to tow me. We tried calling 2 tow places, over $300, so this guy's gonna do it for $200. I'll happily pay him. What a nice guy to help me. Him and his 2 buddies, they were looking at my car. So I just have to sit here and wait, and I'll just keep this a short video, so if I die, at least I'll have a record. Thanks for watching this video. Something like this was bound to happen eventually.